LABUBU toys! Let's play! Hey there, buddy! You're so cute, huh? Time for a food challenge! No! This is awesome!
Hi! Let's get started!
Whoa!
Alright, first up, hot dogs!
Love these! Yum yum! Hey! Too slow! Mmm! Huh? You're eating them all? Oh. I don't mind. One left. Share it with me! Hey, give it back! No way! Whoa! Guess I won! Not fair. I'll show you! Huh? Come on, come on! Jackpot! Yay! So much chocolate! I'm gonna crush this challenge! Let's grab the goodies from here. And take this bun. Now make little dips like this. Pop in some balls and chocolate in the middle. Boom! Time for whipped cream. Oh yeah! Check it out! Wow! Looks tasty! I think I still need one sausage. First, we'll make a waffle grid from the batter. Perfect! Now grab one little egg. And grab a brush. Let's butter up our tasty grid. Grab the sausage on the stick, wrap it like this. Done! Whoa, not bad! We're ready!
Alright, let's taste it.
Well?
Kinda meh.
What?
Let's try this one. Curious.
I'm so nervous.
That's the winner!
Really? Yay! Oh. What's next?
Chocolate time!
Hey, stop drooling!
Go!
Whoa, nice! Let's do rock, paper, scissors. I win! Yay! I'm picking this. I love Hubba Bubba. Let's take them out of the pack. And put into these molds. Nice! Now let's melt it. Smells so good! Gimme some! Hands off! Oh gosh! That came out perfect! Let's pour it into the blender. Add a little green dye. Oh yeah! Time to mix it! So cool! Alright! Nailed that part! Let's draw some hearts with frosting. Like that! Now pour white chocolate all over. Spread it with a spatula. Let's add our filling. And cover it with regular dark chocolate. Sweet! Now smooth it out. And boom! Done! Check it! Wow, that looks delish! Let's see if it's set. Whoa! Ooh, I gotta try this! Hey, back off! Whatever, I'll do my own choco treat. First, melt this in hot water. Now pour it into this mold. Nice. Spread it smooth. Add some gooey marshmallow, like this. And sneak in a cracker layer. Everyone loves crunch. Cover it with more chocolate. Shape it. Done! Nice! Looks awesome! We're finished!
Oh, I love these kind of challenges! Oh, yeah! Tasty! I like it!
Yay!
Alright, what's this one? I taste marshmallow! Can't decide, but Both chocolates win!
Awesome! High five! I'm bored.
I love flowers.
Ahem.
Make edible flowers.
No prob. Ooh, let's go! First, grab some bread. Cut out a circle from the center. Pop this in the middle. Now press it with a fork, like this. Make little cuts and folds for petals. Perfect! Now we need the oven. Place our flour on the tray. And in it goes. Like that. Time to bake. Think it's ready. All done. Crispy flowers here. Nice. I'll use marshmallows instead. First, melt some white chocolate. And add dye. Mix it real good. Dip the marshmallow in. Pop it in this mold. And pour the rest of the chocolate on top. Let's see. Whoa, so pretty! These flowers look real. Mine doesn't look that cute. Darn.
All right, let's check it out. It's crunchy, but kinda plain.
Well, I tried.
This one looks way better.
So?
This is delicious!
Yay! Thanks! I'm the best!
Next round. Make LABUBU.
Me? No, me! Nah, me! You're mean! We're making me!
Oh gosh, stop it!
Oops.
I'll draw it better.
Which LABUBU is that?
Here, make ZZ.
Oh, now I get it. Whoa, that's gonna help. I'm first. Fine. I'll work with this. All right, let's go. First, grab a tortilla and cut like this. Now unwrap this mini baby cheese. Place it and roll it in the tortilla. Fold some salami like this. Stick it here. Done! Look what I made! Looks pretty close. But look what I got! Hey, no fair! Don't be jealous. And I'll take an eclair, cut the top a little, like this. Add some marshmallow fluff. Pop ZZ in there and stick on a pretzel. Add Oreo cookies on the sides. Few more bits, and now ZZ's riding a cool car. Thoughts? Oh, we're ready to show.
Let's start with this one. Looks cute.
Did I win?
Not quite.
What?
Well, hey there, cutie. This LABUBU tastes better.
No way! Yay!
Oh my, it's hot in here. What the?
Yum yum!
What are you doing?
Huh? We're just eating ice cream.
Then go make more.
Oh, okay. All right. Pick a stick. Yes! Luck's on my side. First, grab a pan and toss in some caramels. Now pour in a glass of milk. Heat it up. Keep stirring till it's all melted. Pour it in a cup, just like that. Cover with foil and stick in an ice cream stick. So cool! Look! Wow, neat! I'm going with something more natural. Oh yeah! Time to team up this banana with a stick. Grab some chocolate. Melt it, dunk the banana. Oh yeah! Sweet! Now just add some decoration. These sprinkles are perf. All done! Nice! Huh? Hey!
What?
It's ready!
Oh, finally!
You like it?
Mmm, so good!
Yay!
Let's check the other one. Wow! Oh, tongue stuck. Not a fan.
Heh, I'm the best.